Hello everyone, we are the student from Utah. My name is Chong Shiliang. I'm the group leader of this course called Apply eCommerce, and my teammate Vanessa Ng Tian Yu, Ludwig Zheng, Ng Kayong, and Ko Jingwen. So today we are going to talk about the case study of JWE Studio. So this JWE Studio, they do a lot of creative work, include video and photo, visual creation, and social media branding. Okay, now we talk about the platform-based business. Platform-based business is a business model that creates value by facilitating exchange between two or more independent groups. Usually are consumer and producer. So there are four types of platform business: aggregation platforms, social platforms, mobilization platforms, and learning platforms. And the JW Studio is social platform. Social platform is uh, enable to user to interact and communicate and promoting something different kind of thing with other user. So JWE promote their business through the social platform to the public, and most of the JW Studio clients are acquired through different social channels such as friendship, referrals from social media platforms, and more. Okay, now we're going to talk about what is business ecosystem. Business ecosystem is a network of interdependent business institutions, individuals, and other entities that create value and benefit through a variety of linkage and interaction with each other. These entities can be suppliers, customers, partners, competitors, intermediaries, government agencies, and more. The components of business ecosystem are not only interconnected but also have complex relationships with each other. The relationship such as supply chain, distribution channel, common customers, and market often exist between firm and organization in a business ecosystem. Business ecosystem can bring many benefits to business and organization, such as increasing market share, reducing costs, improving efficiency, and creating new opportunities. And then there are some ecosystem players like social media. Social media is one of the most important role for JWE Studio because nowadays most of the people use social media to search what for what they like, and then the customer can searching some keyword to find, and the owner of social media can post some pieces for attract customer to serve to seek for service. And then the JW Studio, they also attract customer in early days through their quality work for the customer. So that's all for my part. Thank you. Now I'll pass to my teammate.
Thank you. And now I'm presenting the digital infrastructure. What is digital infrastructure? It was the foundation of any connected business. It was one an enabler for business. It is now primary source for computing advantage. Digital infrastructure can bring together and interconnect physical and virtual technology such as compute, storage, network, application to build the foundation of company digital operation. Now I am presenting the marketplace. What is marketplace? Marketplace is the platform that connects seller and buyer. As William informed us, their company is using the Facebook and Instagram for their e-commerce marketplace. There are a few markets involved in Facebook and Instagram such as business to consumer, B2C, and consumer to consumer, C2C. Facebook and Instagram are a good example in business to consumer marketplace which refer to businesses sell their product directly to their customer. By using those platforms, a lot of business doing the live to sell their product. Buyer can find a lot of product different in brands, price from different life. Besides, consumer to consumer C2C refer to the customer can act as buyer and seller. By example, everyone can post their second-hand item to sales on Facebook and Instagram. Now I want to pass to my teammate.
Thank you, sharing of my member. I'm Ludwig Zheng. Now I will continue to introduce about the logistics and supply chain of the JW Studio. So I will introduce about the logistics and supply chain, what the role of the business. Okay, so the first one, logistics refer to the movement of goods from point A to point B, which entails two functions, transportation and warehousing. The overall supply chain is a network of business and organizations working in a sequence of process, including logistics to produce and distribute goods. The role of logistics feature transportation or delivery, storage, packaging, cargo handling, distribution processing, and information processing, and many systems have been put in place to deliver products from a production location or factory to the consumer quickly on and time. So I will continue to introduce about the studio in logistics and supply chain. So the first one, in transportation, for outdoor shooting, normally they're only using the car, or if the client is a big production, be quite two vans, depend of the urgent size. If the budget around 60,000, that the student need to prepare a bus and go to the destination. If just a video like wedding video, just one day, they only have 1 to 2 person go there only. So, and next question for overseas clients, uh because this studio is not very big yet, but normally like the wedding shooting, they need the transportation go there, especially the airlines. The ticket fees needs client pay all the fees. Okay, last one, if the to standing the shooting and result in production, normally this delivery studio using Grab Express and Lazada to shooting the result and to sending the result and production to the client. So normally, but the bidder has said that normally no many clients to require this service because they physically go there and see the result and product more. So no more customer needs this service, but actually have, but no more. So based on the target customer and the needs of customer. So this is all my part. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm Ku Jingwen. I will continue with the part of payment. There was a few payment methods provided by JWE Studio, which include online payment and cash payment. The example of online payment are bank transfer, touch and go e-wallet, and do it now. Online payments brings a lot of benefits as the customer can make payment from any place at any time through their smart device. And the customer can track their payments and keep payments record easily. Online payment protects the informations of the user, avoid hacking of users' informations, and provide safe and secure fund transfer. Besides that, the online payments allowed the merchants to maintain their digital record efficiently, and immediately payment helps to decrease the late payment. Furthermore, JWE Studio also have a future company plans on payment. They plans to provide installment payment to credit card user. Installment payment helps the customer to pay off their invoice in several small installments over a certain period of time. In this situation, customers have the flexibility to purchase, and customer can stretch the cost of a purchase over a period of time with low monthly payment. This will encourage the customer to make a big payment and helps to increase the sales of the company. This is all from my part. I will pass to my teammate for the next part. Thank you.
Hi, sir. I'm Enkayo, and I would like to present you about the data and computing. From the employee Williams, he told us that data is the most important part for JWE Studio because in their industrial, communication is the most important thing between them and the customer. By analyzing the data, they can figure out what is the customer needs and wants, and there are different kinds of customer in the market. Some of them is demand on the quality, and some of them demand on the quantity, and they don't care much about the quality. So it's a great need of great need of customized customer needs in this industrial. So he say that the data is the most important part for them. Then I would like to introduce you about the development of JWE Studio in the future. William told us that the complete data will help them in the future development, because they might know that they should go more or go less on like contactless work with their customer, because different customer go demand different kinds of work. Some of them need convenience work, which is contactless, like the modification of photo works, and some of the customer, like taking family photos one, they would like to stay at the company, physically visit the photo taker, so they can make sure the photo meets their needs and wants. And then is the review from the customer. William say that the review from the customer might help them in the improvement. By reviewing the customer feedback, they can know what is their weakness, and so they can fix it and improve them. Then is the last part from my side, which is the recommendation about the data collection. I would like to recommend William that they can do some survey through email to their customer or physical survey form, so they can get a better completion on data collection. And that and yet by sending an email or physical survey form to their customer, they can remind their customer there's a Photoshop which is called JWE Studio, which will increase the customer repurchase rate. Yet, I would like to suggest William that they can add more photography service package. So then the customer have more choices, which they can collect more types of data on each of the service package, so they can have the better understanding of the market demand. So here's all of my part. Thank you.